Hello there guys. So in this video we're going to show you how to import demo data and to set up the basic options for a Codestag theme. And to begin this we're gonna start with the step one, which is to install the recommended or required plugins for the theme. We're going to be using the ink theme for this test video. So let's start. Just click on the top notice which comes after installing and activating theme, that is the theme required plugins. Begin installing plugins, or you could visit the install plugins page in the appearance menu. So the recommended and required plugins for ink theme are like custom sidebars, stack tools, and jetpack and WP subtitle. We're gonna exclude Envato Market for now, as it is for theme forest users who want to update their theme. So it's really not required, but it is for theme forest users. So let's quickly select all these and click on install. Select the install from this bulk actions menu and then click on apply. All right. Once we have installed the plugins, we need to activate them. Just select all and then click on activate. Select the activate from the bulk actions menu and then apply. And that's it. We have activated all of the required and recommended plugins. So let's begin. And the step two is to download the dummy data. So let's visit docs site, docs.codestag.com. This is the site from where you can download the dummy data for your respective theme. Visit the general section and importing dummy data page. From here you can just download your respective theme dummy data, and yeah, once you click on any of these links, it will just redirect you to a download page. Since I've already downloaded the dummy data for ink, I'm just gonna skip this download and move on to the step 3. Step 3 is to import the dummy data, for which we're gonna need two plugins. That is, once we visit this plugins page, we need to click on the add new, and then we're gonna install these two plugins, which are called WordPress importer and the widget importer and exporter. So let's start with WordPress importer. There we go. Remember to do this one, which says bywordpress.org. This is the official one. Once it's installed, we can just search for the other one, widget importer and exporter. Just search for widgets importer and it'll show up. This one. So widget importer and exporter by churchthemes.com. Just click on install now. And once this is done, let's just visit the plugins page and select both these two. And again, from the bulk actions menu, click on activate and then apply. And that's it. We have completed the step 3 for the importer plugins. Now we need to import the dummy data. So let's visit the tools and then the import page, and then go to the run importer. Then we need to select the files we have downloaded from our docs. So these are the files that will get once you download the demo zip. So the first one will be this XML, and there's a .wi. So we're gonna use for the WordPress importer, which is from tools and then import this .xml file. So just select this one and hit open, and then upload file and import. So as you can see, these are from the demo site. You can just select one of your own editors here, which by then these posts will get assigned to that user, and then download and import file attachments. You can skip this option if you don't want to get the demo site media files, etc. And if you don't, you can just select this one as well and click on submit. Okay, so the import is done. Next is to import the widgets. click on this widget importer and exporter page link. You can see in this tools menu. And once you visit this importer page, you can just choose file, select on this, click on this choose file button, and select the .wie file which we downloaded with the dummy data, and hit open and click on import widgets. And that's it, the widgets are also imported. Let's just visit the site and see how it looks now. So it has already started to look exactly like the demo. Now the one more step is to do the basic options setup, which is to set the home page and the blog page. But for ink, that is homepage is the blog page. So let's just leave that and go to the customize menu, customize tab, and then select the menu, which is this menu that came with the demo data, and select this menu as primary menu, and that's it. That should give us the menu, and hit publish, and that's it. So these are all the steps you need to follow to import dummy data and set up the demo like site. So if you refresh the site again, you'd see the sidebar also working with all the widgets, and all of the posts from the demo site has been imported. You can now take a look and edit them as per your need, and then yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good one.